Welcome back, everyone. It's Jacob from Echo Valley Homestead, and today we have an exciting video coming out for you guys. So today we're going to be using the mini hoe, and we're going to be tearing out a stump of this little area in our backyard that we're cleaning up behind the shed back here. And we're going to be tearing out a stump with the mini hoe, and then we're going to be leveling it, grading it, smoothing it off with the Ferguson 20 and the disc. So without any further ado, let's get to it. Pop right off, that's a good sign. Yep. That's not good. Well, we were digging these roots out and we got half the stump off. We figured the other half would come off eventually, but we knew it'd be a little bit trickier. This was the side of the tree that was alive. And so we got a few of the roots out, but when we were digging, all of a sudden we heard a snap, and then a few buckets later, this piece fell out. So that's not good. We're gonna have to get a new pin for this, but it came out of right here. It actually broke right where the grease circ is of the pin. Well, we are back in business. It has been a couple of weeks now since the pin broke on the bucket here with the mini hoe, but we got that fixed now, and we should be back in business. So We're actually not going to try to dig out the sump anymore. We're going to try to just loosen the dirt around it and then hopefully use the loader and grade the dirt out to a nice plane. We ended up getting the new pins in. Here's one, here's the other one. This is the one that broke. We got that one replaced too while they were at it. Then we ended up getting a full service done on it. Our cousin over at Mechanical Solutions, Holmesville, Holmes County, Ohio, got us set up with a full service on it. Everything's greased up and the oil's changed in the track motors. Everything should be good to go for a while, so let's see how it works. We actually got all the mini hoe work done with it. Worked very well. We just had a little bit to do yet with it. We just ended up grading this out. We just tore this up a little bit so we can smooth this out. We had a knob that was here. But we didn't want to mess with the stump over here. We didn't want anything to break on the mini hoe. It just wasn't really worth it. We didn't want to risk damaging anything else yet. So at some point we'll come through here with the loader and smooth that out. I don't know if that'll be today or not, but now I'm going to clean up this pile of roots over here with the Steiner. What's up, Nod? How you doing today? Where's Rover at? I don't see Rover anywhere. We got some of those excess roots hauled that we had dug up the last time with the excavator, and we got those hauled back to the gully. Now we're hauling these packer weights. These were actually, I think they're off a Cullipacker, but we had them, they were sitting over here by the tree as well, covering up a pile of dirt. So this whole project is kind of wrapping up, but this was, the project intent was, we had a pear tree here, obviously, we had an old cattle trailer over here, and a pile of like fill dirt right here, and like an old lean-to structure and another, like 2 of those. And so we kind of cleaned it out this fall and got rid of some of the buildings that just weren't doing anything anymore, and just cleaning it up, making it look pretty nice. Hopefully the pear tree will be able to produce more pears for next year. We took quite a few vines off of that, so that'll hopefully do good. Pretty well perfectly fit on there. Yeah, they do.
I don't know if we can do 3.
What's up, River?
Do 3 stumps right here. Like that. There's actually a couple of them on by the gas pump, but
Oh, okay.
we don't have to get those, but they're underneath that.
What is that, 11? Well, thank you everyone for watching this video. We were testing out the mini hoe, finishing up that project, getting the pear tree all cleaned up, and it looks really good. So once again, thank you guys for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure you give it a like and subscribe.